Hello. Well, today we're gonna blend some beautiful food. Yay!
This is some cauliflower.
Yum.
And some potatoes. And
An apple.
an apple.
About 1 or 5 a day.
And some
Lemon juice.
from Morrison's.
And bechamel. Holly.
And jam. And a banana.
A very ripe banana.
So,
Okay, here's our blender.
nice and squishy. So,
Okay.
get ready.
Let's go.
Okay. Alright. Alright then. Start the lemon juice.
Yeah. No, we need some hot stuff first.
Jam.
Son of a bitch. That's scary. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now my wonderful assistant. Coleslaw!
Coleslaw.
Best before the 12th of Feb. Oh my god, that's out of date. That's disgusting.
Son of a gun.
This is gonna stink like a baby's bottom.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Oh, disgusting.
Let's get all of that in there.
There you go.
Now we have some Doritos.
Pate.
Medium course. This is for the 15th of March. This is not out.
This is good.
But this has been opened yet, so we can't use that knife because they're not seen.
But we got a coleslaw spoon.
It's all going to be together in the end. Is it really bad?
But the rest of the stuff in there. Shh. Gang kid. Delicious.
This is what I like in the morning. Stink.
Oh God.
This is not what normal girls do. Normal girls paint their toenails. We like to make smoothies.
Have jam.
So much jam left.
We'll make the most of our stuff.
Strawberry jam.
Delicious.
What? Oh, hello. Okay, who wants some bananas? Yum! Oh!
God.
Oh, yeah. Peel it. That doesn't look like a penis.
Just put that in. Put that in there. Yes, put that in. Just put that in there. And then a bit of an apple. You gotta have some fruit. And some lemon
We'll
juice.
do that at the end.
Lemon juice to last.
Okay, now we have some
Fine. We're trying to. That's gonna be lovely for your toast.
But jam and butter never goes wrong.
Especially with pate and coleslaw.
This is horrible.
Apple.
Lemon.
Delicious.
Now we blend. Woo!
The apple.
We put the apple in.
Put the apple in.
Pretty.
Oh my god. You better shake.
It doesn't seem to be blending.
You better shake.
Ew.
see it?
Oh,
yeah.
We might need some more lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
Smell it.
No.
Yeah.
That's right. Lemon juice.
Why don't you eat it? Woo! Oh god, it stinks so bad. Oh yeah.
Is it ready?
Look at that, look at that. Can we smell it? Can we smell it? We smell it.
It looks like a peanut.
Now, the glass.
Justin,
Smell.
look inside the glass. Delicious.
I think. Okay.
That'll be fun to wash up.
Oh god, I'm actually gonna drink it. Can I smell it?
I can't breathe.
It doesn't smell that bad. It smells like coleslaw.
Can't taste it really.
Oh my god.
Okay. Well, she's gonna drink it. Smells of wine. How'd you know that?
Okay, I'm gonna drink this.
You have to drink it.
Okay, I'm just gonna taste it. Okay. Okay, I've got this on my finger. Can...
Do you love the taste of Anna did coleslaw in the
Oh
morning?
my god, I'm gonna be sick.
Let's try it.
What's it taste of? What's it taste of?
You can laugh if you want.
I don't like coleslaw. I'm gonna be sick.
Oh, go away.
Okay. Now that was a bit of fun now, wasn't it? And that was like 3 minutes of your life just been wasted.